So, nandito na naman kami sa Lolo and Lola. Yo! Pag winter season dito sa Australia, ang laging itinerary pag pupunta ka ng Canberra or yung sa Snowy Mountains would be mga tatlo o apat lang. Syempre yung Snowy Mountains. Pangalawa yung Parliament House. Pinunta namin kanina. Pangatlo yung War Memorial Museum. Syempre, pang-apat yung iba dumadaan sa Lookout. At hindi nawawala sa itinerary namin tong Lolo and Lola Restaurant. Ano siya? Philo restaurant siya na sobrang sikat. Na-feature na siya sa isang show. May puhunan. Maganda yung service dito, masarap yung pagkain. At saka yung owner na napakabait. Kaya naman putahin order namin para matry. Kasi syempre once a year ka lang naman pupunta dito. So maximize mo na yung opportunity na matikman mo lahat.
Stand tall, never gonna fall. Determination in our eyes, we'll rise above it all. Stand tall with the challenge we face. We stand proud and chase. Aim high. Aim high. From every setback, we find strength to attack. Oh yeah. Rise up, rise up, rise up. We gonna climb up the top. Rise up, elevate and never stop. Claim it. Rise up, claim it. We light the spark within. We gon' win, yeah. Shine bright, light up the night. A future that's ours, burning so bright. Shine bright, through struggle we grow. Stand in the light, shine bright, ignite. In darkness we're the dawn, pushing on, oh yes. Push through, fight another round.
Hindi tayo heavy eater eh.
Grabe. Busog na busog kaming lahat. Nag-order pa kami ng dessert. Yung halo-halo at taho. Masarap din yung halo-halo. Tirahin lang namin yung halo-halo. Tapos, uwi na kami.